Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to dive into the world of boosting neural network performance by harnessing the power of discipline. First things first, discipline plays a crucial role in training a neural network effectively. By sticking to a consistent schedule and setting clear goals, you can ensure that your network is constantly improving. Next, it's important to pay attention to the details. Fine-tuning hyperparameters, optimizing your data pre-processing techniques, and regularly testing and evaluating your model can make a huge difference in performance. Remember, boosting neural network performance is not just about fancy algorithms or cutting-edge technology. It's about putting in the time and effort to refine your approach and stay disciplined throughout the process. So, keep pushing yourself, stay focused, and watch your neural network soar to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, fellow creators. Today, I want to share with you 5 key concepts for mastering 3D printing success. First and foremost, it's important to understand your printer and its capabilities. Take the time to read the manual and experiment with different settings to achieve the best results. Next, always make sure to use high-quality filaments. Cheaper materials can lead to poor print quality and clogged nozzles, so investing in good filaments is definitely worth it. Another crucial concept is proper bed leveling. Ensuring that your print bed is leveled correctly will prevent any issues with adhesion and warping, resulting in a successful print every time. Don't forget to stay patient and attentive during the printing process. Keep an eye on your printer and make adjustments as needed to avoid any potential mishaps. In the end, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting, learning, and honing your skills to become a 3D printing pro. Uplift your creations and happy printing, friends!
Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what the future holds for self-driving cars? Let's delve into the consistent discipline development that is shaping the way we drive. One key aspect of self-driving cars is the continuous development of software and hardware. Engineers are constantly refining algorithms to improve safety and efficiency on the roads. This consistent discipline ensures that self-driving cars are always advancing towards a better future. Another important point to consider is the integration of self-driving cars into existing infrastructure. From smart traffic lights to designated lanes, cities are adapting to accommodate these vehicles. This seamless integration is crucial for the widespread adoption of self-driving technology. As we look towards the future of self-driving cars, we can expect to see even more innovation and progress in the coming years. With consistent discipline development, the possibilities are endless. So buckle up and get ready for a ride into the future. Uplifting ending sentence: the future of self-driving cars is bright, and we're just getting started. Automobile sparkles. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 quick ways to master blockchain discipline. First of all, it's important to set specific goals for yourself. Whether it's learning a new aspect of blockchain technology or mastering a particular skill, having clear objectives will keep you on track and motivated. Next, make a schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering any subject, and blockchain is no different. Set aside dedicated time each day to study and practice, and you'll see progress sooner than you think. Remember to stay curious and never stop learning. Blockchain technology is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest developments. By staying disciplined and committed to your learning journey, you'll become a blockchain expert in no time. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead and embrace the challenge of mastering blockchain discipline. You've got this.
Hey there, friends! Today we're going to witness an unexpected twist as ChatGPT breaks down. Let's dive in and see what happens. Our journey begins as a curious user types in a question, eagerly awaiting a response. But instead of the usual prompt reply, ChatGPT seems to be struggling to generate a coherent response.